Are you still walking the production floor to find the status of your jobs? Get the visibility you need with LilyWorks PFM. You know the drill. Your customer calls and asks for a status update on their job. With your current system, you have to tell them, "I'll check it out and get right back to you." Then you stop whatever you were doing, go out and walk the production floor, maybe find the production manager or a foreman, figure out where the job is, and get a ballpark estimate of when it will be completed. Then call the customer back and deliver the news. An hour later, you get another customer calling, and it's back to the drill. Ugh, there has to be a better way to do this. Relax, you have Protected Flow Manufacturing from LilyWorks. You may have hundreds of jobs on your production floor, but with Protected Flow Manufacturing, or PFM for short, you have the tools right at your fingertips to know where each and every job is, how many pieces have been completed, and when each job is predicted to finish. No more hunting all over the production floor for answers, or providing gut feel guesstimates of completion dates. PFM uses predictive analytics to help you manage your production and provide you with information you'll feel confident passing along to your customers. Eliminate the guesswork. Get control of your production by having the visibility of all the jobs on your production floor with Protective Flow Manufacturing.